Yo, what's good, YouTube? RT Aidann back here for another video, and I do have some upsetting news for y'all. I wanted to start it here so I could show y'all, but you see that shit, that nasty ass fucking snow? That is the exact reason why my check engine light and shit is still on, because I did not have a chance to switch that shit. It's fucking disgusting out today in shitty New Hampshire. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. We're just gonna be cutting up on the highway in the rain a little bit, doing something light, and maybe a story time. I do have one from when I just went to Boston, which I didn't get a video for y'all because I forgot my camera at my crib. But let's get into this shit. Cause I always told G, no safety, flop 3 times to his back, no Tracy. And I dare nigga try to stay me, I'ma flock him down and leave him lazy. Who up? That's us, they man's got, and they ain't doing none. See blues so hard. Alright y'all, so here's the story time I was talking about. So me, Sammy, Liam, Cam, Avery, y'all take a trip down to Boston the other night because my boy Avery came up from Florida. So we're all up, chilling in Boston. We get down there, we're smoking in the room. Fucking security comes up to the room. Pop, 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 pop. We were blasting music. That was the real problem, which we shouldn't have been doing, but we were all like, you know, we were enjoying ourselves. We were vibing. Like, what the fuck are we supposed to do? So security comes, knocks on the door. My boy Liam answers it. They're like, yo, gotta turn the music down. And then he obviously smelled the weed. He was like, you can't be smoking in here. Like, that's da-da-da. Who cares? That was the end of that. We closed the door, night goes on. So then, like, the rest of the night was pretty normal. We just did our stuff. We walked around, got food. We looked around at some stores, because we went to the Boston Marriott Copley place. It's right near the Boston Public Library there, and it has a huge mall built into it. So we were just walking around, looking, whatever. So then, like, fast forward a couple hours, we're all just hanging out in the hotel room, and 2 of my friends were about to go to sleep. So now it's just me, Avery, and Liam. We go out because we were bored and we wanted to find some shit to do. So we went out. We're like walking through this mall because they leave it open all night long, except like the stores are closed. So it's just like the, you know, the hallways and stuff. So we're just walking through, and then we come down like to these escalators and we go down them, and then there's like these 2 guys at the bottom and they're just talking, and we walk out the doors and we were just gonna head back to our hotel. And like right outside the doors there was like a cart of alcohol, like Coronas, Bud Light, all together, like knocked on the ground. So we were like, should we take some? None of us really drank any of that shit other than one of my friends that was at the hotel. But I mean, like, we were like, fuck it, like, it's not even really worth it. Let's just go. So we start walking away, and we're walking, we turn around, and one of the guys that was in the mall walked out and grabbed 2 Coronas from the ground. So we were like, alright, if he grabbed them, we're fucking grabbing them. Like, why not? So we fucking turn around, run back, and grab the Ronas, and if I find the video, I'll put it in right here. Dude, fuck.
The Samuel Adams?
Let's go, dude. So we grabbed the Ronas and like whatever else. I think my friend grabbed like a couple Bud Lights, and we start making our way back up the street. So we're going back up the street, we're walking, we're probably about 5, not even like 2 minutes from our hotel. Cop drives past. And I think nothing of it, you know, we haven't really done anything illegal, so I was just like, you know, whatever, it is what it is. It's a cop, like, what is he gonna stop us for? My friend Liam turned around and looked at him, and as he was looking back, the cop like was putting his lights on and turning around. So my friend was like, yo, he's spinning back. So we just fucking take off. We're just like, boom, off. Right down this, like, not even really an alleyway, it was like a one-way. But like, when I started running, there was a cop, like, car, like, off, parked in front of me. And then there was the one that spun around behind us. So I started running. I make it to like this little like doorway thing. I take the shit that I got on me, I toss it in the doorway. Cops pull up. They were probably about like, I don't know, 15 to 20 deep. They had like 6, 7, maybe even 8 cars. Like, you could see them posted down the block, like everywhere. They had cars everywhere. Like, they like pushed us away from my one friend Avery. They were like, yo, go, get away from him, get away from him. So fucking, they throw him in handcuffs. They're like, yo, can you get up against the wall? They do like a search on me and my other friend. And they're like, after we're done searching you, we'll tell you what happened. They're done searching us now. And they start to tell us that our friend had actually matched the same like identity, or not identity, like his clothing matched the same as like a suspected armed robbery suspect, I guess. Someone who was suspected of armed robbery. He matched the same like outfit that he was wearing. So they pulled up on us deep for that shit. And like, we had all the alcohol on us. Obviously they found it. Well, I didn't have any on me, but my friends had a lot more than I did. They kind of just like blew it off. They were like, you know, you guys aren't even from here. Like, you're all minors. They were like, we're just gonna give you a pass. We're gonna bring you back to your hotel room, and you guys just stay in for the night. Now, to be honest with you, I don't know how legal all this was. I mean, to me, honestly, it seems legal. Like, what else could they have done? They have to make sure that it's not him, and the fact of us running just made it look more suspicious. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments if you guys think that was legal or not. Honestly, I'm kind of on the fence about it. I don't really know. So anyways, they drop us off at our hotel, and as soon as we got dropped off at the hotel, we all like looked at each other and we were like, we have to go back out. Now, I'm only telling this part of the story just because it was a funny turn of events. But so we go up to our hotel room, we smoke, take a couple shots, and we head back out. Now, we're going down to this convenience store. I want to say it was Kim's Convenience, but honestly, I feel like that's a TV show, so I'm just tripping. But we go down, we walk down, and we go in, we get our drinks or whatever, and we start walking back. On the way back, we passed this place. If any of y'all are from Boston, you probably know, because all the locals out there knew about it, but it's called El Jefe's Tacos. I don't know if they have it anywhere else, but they have it down in Boston, and that bitch was packed. I'm talking about like line out the fucking door. Like, that shit was crazy. I'm not even gonna lie. And my friend, he actually works at a taco shop in Florida. He was like, bro, let's go in there. That place looks gas. Now it's like 3 in the morning, mind you. Like, it's late. Like, but there was at least like probably about like 30, 40, maybe even 50, 60. Honestly, it could have easily been like 80 people in this taco shop. That, like, it was packed. I'm like, nah, I'm not waiting in that line. Like, let's just go. So we walk up the road a little bit and we start smoking. And this cop like drives down the road and he like puts on his horn. He's like, and then he was like talking over his megaphone. And then all of a sudden I just saw like 2 or 3 cops run into the taco place. So I was like, fuck it, we gotta go back and see what's going on. So we go in, we get in the line, and then like we weren't even really gonna wait for food. We were kind of just trying to be in there to see what was going on. I started asking people, I was like, yo, is it worth the wait, worth the wait? They were like, yes, bro, this is worth the wait, like, this shit's gas. And I was like, I mean, I probably won't ever have an opportunity to get it again, so why not? Might as well get it right now. We waited in line, so I'd say we were in line for probably about like 30, 45 minutes at this time. And people were walking in and just like walking right past us. And I was like, okay, like, I don't even know if I'm in line anymore. Like, I don't know what the fuck is going on. So I sent my boy Liam up to the front desk. He starts walking up, he makes about halfway, and then I see like these 2 people in front of him. There was a girl and a guy. I didn't really make out who they were. I kind of saw the girl better than I did the guy. And then he, like, people go running by him. I didn't even get a good look at them. But like, I just saw 2 people like go running out of the taco shop, and he came up to me and he was like, bro, that was fucking Noah Schnapp from fucking Stranger Things. And I was like, ain't no goddamn way. Now, if y'all don't know who that is, I'm gonna post a picture of him right now. He was in El Jefe's Tacos while I was there. I just thought that shit was crazy, like a crazy turn of events, and also mixed with being drunk and high as fuck. Everything just kind of felt surreal. I was like, bro, what is going on tonight? Like, this is insane. I will say, shout out to those cops that did pull us over. Like, I hope none of you are watching this, but they were actually mad cool. Those cops were actually mad chill. And like, after they sorted everything out with us and they figured out that like we weren't the person they were looking for, even before then, like, the cops were pretty nice to us. Like, the cop that searched me, he was like, if you got anything in your pockets, can you just take it out and give it to me, so I don't gotta do like all that and I just have to pat you down. Like, he was just chill about it, you know what I mean? And you don't find a lot of cops like that. Shout out to them. If y'all are watching, like I said, I hope you're not. But that was a crazy night, I'm not gonna lie. That was a good night. That'll always live on in my memories, no cap. And obviously there was a lot more that I'm not talking about, but that was just like the 2 main events that were like, damn. But there was like a lot of stuff in the trip that was also very fun. And I was supposed to make a video. I know y'all heard me mention it at the start of the video, but I was supposed to make a Boston video. I was gonna put it on my vlog channel, but I was also debating on just making a car one. But I left my GoPro at my house. I thought I had it on me, and then when I went to go find it, shit was gone. So I was kind of tight about that.
It's a fucking lie. I will fucking hear that dumpster. It's a fucking lie.
One thing I do want to say to y'all, I appreciate all of the support on that one video, the city POV drive. That video did amazing, and I appreciate everyone who supported that video. I appreciate everyone who liked, commented, shared it, anything. Like, I appreciate all of you from the bottom of my heart. I'm pretty sure that video is sitting on 2,000 views right now, and that's a lot for my channel. That's the best video, outstanding by far. Honestly, I can bring it up right now. I'm gonna show you all the views right now. Boom, 2,093 views. That was the best video on my channel, best yet. And I just want to say that, like, that video gave me motivation to just push forward with this YouTube channel. You know, like, I know I mentioned it in my last video, but it didn't get a lot of views, so I'm just gonna say it in this one. I've always wanted to do YouTube, and I've never wanted to work. It's not like I never wanted to work a job, but like, I just wanted more for myself than a job. Like, I wanted more for myself than a 9 to 5. I wanted to take my mom out of working every day. I wanted to take my dad out of working every day. Like, I don't want to see them slave their lives away just for a little bit of money. Like, I would rather bust my ass on YouTube and make a whole business out of it. The world's changing in so many ways nowadays, and it's just like, there's so many ways to make money, and I just hate seeing my parents like spend time out of their lives to like work and make money. Like, they're struggling still. Like, it doesn't make anything any easier, you know? Like, obviously it does. Like, if none of them work, we wouldn't have any money, but like, it sucks. It really, really sucks watching them work like that. That pushes me. The motivation I get from seeing the views and the likes and the comments on this video, or on these videos, it pushes me. Everything pushes me to work harder and to be a better YouTuber, be a better content creator, just a better anything. And I just, again, all these thanks are going to you guys, my supporters, my viewers, my subscribers, whatever you guys want to call yourselves. Thank you guys, because without you guys, I don't know where I'd be. And I'm not even where I want to be. I'm not anywhere close. But to be honest with you, where I'm at right now, I'm happy. 84 subscribers. We went up 30 subscribers in the past 28 days. That is incredible to me. Like, my channel's actually growing. People are commenting from other parts of the world. Not other parts of the world, but like other parts of the United States, other parts of, like, people are watching my videos and being interested in stuff that I do. Like, I could never imagine that. Like, I could never see or understand someone being interested in me and the stuff that I do. Like, I've just never been confident enough. I never thought that I was, like, entertaining enough. I never thought that I was, I don't know. I just didn't think I was good enough for YouTube. And honestly, to anyone out there who has dreams to do this shit, push. Don't give up. Like, I know I'm nowhere yet to be talking like that, but just don't give up, because eventually your dreams will come true, and whatever you want will come to you. If you work hard enough for it, it will come. If you deserve it, it will come. And remember that. Keep that in the back of your mind, and always, always, when you're feeling down about it, or when you're feeling upset, or you're feeling like you want to quit, just remember all the times when you hit new milestones and you were geeked, you were happy, you were so like, oh my god, this is crazy, like, I might actually make it. Just remember that feeling and push. Use that to push, because that feeling can always happen again. The sky is limitless. Never put a limit on your potential. That's all I'm gonna say. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video, man. I really enjoy making these videos for you guys. Like, I really do. It's probably one of my favorite things to do, honestly. When I'm bored, I just go out and shoot videos. A lot of the times they're not good, so I end up deleting them. But I'm trying to get comfortable with the camera. I'm trying to, like, you know, work on myself and become better, like I said. And I just, again, one more time, I appreciate all my subscribers, supporters, anything, even viewers. You guys mean a lot to me. And I thank you for clicking on this video. I thank you for watching it all the way through. If you did watch it all the way through, make sure you go comment and let me know you watched it all the way through, and I'll follow you on Instagram. Leave your Instagram in the comment too, and I'm gonna go follow it. Anyways, peace out, y'all. I'll see you in the next one.